attaching I-cord to the hat or anything you have. For this step, we will use knitting sock needles without a wire or any connection between them. First, check if your I-cord has the necessary length, as you won't be able to add more lengths once you start. Now take your hat. We will attach the I-cord to the bottom part of the backside, so make sure you are holding the hat as I am demonstrating in this video. Use a new thread for this process. Pick up the first edge from the right side, insert the needle under both loops of the stitch and pull the yarn through. This will give you a total of 4 stitches. Take your second needle and reshoot the last stitches onto it, so you have 2 stitches on each needle. Then, knit the stitches you just reshoot as knit stitches through the back loops. Now you have 3 stitches. Push the needle so that the stitches are positioned on the opposite end and make 2 knit stitches. 1 and 2. You should have 1 stitch remaining. Pick up a new stitch by pulling the yarn through the loop on the edge of the hat. Reshoot the remaining 2 stitches onto the second needle and knit 1 stitch through the back loops. Now repeat these steps until you reach the end, and you will have 3 stitches on your needle. This is how your edge should look. And now you can continue making the second I-cord on the right side of the hat using 3 stitches.